Want to give your Amazfit Bip 6 a fresh look? To change your watch face, wake up the device by pressing the button. Press and hold the current watch face. Swipe left or right to browse options. Tap to apply your favorite watch face. To add online watch faces, open the Zep app on your phone. Navigate to the Device tab. Tap on Watch Faces to see available choices. Select a watch face and tap Sync. After that, it will become your current watch face. To add a portrait watch face, tap on Watch Faces and find Portrait Watch Face. Now tap the plus and add your photo. Adjust the time position if needed. Finally, sync to apply your custom watch face. To delete unwanted watch faces, wake up your device. Press and hold the current watch face. Swipe left or right to find your desired one. Swipe it up and tap the delete icon. Subscribe for more useful tips.